Le gusta el pinche fucking pito.
Aquí está con mi compa el Bro. Estaba borro, no sé lo que pasó, pero tenía una enfermedad muy gacha y por eso su vida está borracha. Siempre se pone bien loco para calmar el dolor, porque nosotros sabemos lo que es el calor. Es mejor vivir aquí tranquilo, estando con el Stepro, con el Chucky y el Canijo. Aquí estamos nosotros, somos muy cabrones, pelones, y hemos llenado muchos pantones. La neta yo no encuentro la manera de vivir solo, por eso siempre me la pasaba de solo. Camino buenas noches, guacha las balas que vuelan del coche, porque yo soy un locote, así que ponte trucha, yo soy el más cabrón. Te metes tú conmigo y te mando pa'l panteón. Yo no le tengo miedo a nadie y eso es la neta. Guacha las pinches balas que vuelan de mi escopeta, te vuelo la cabeza, a mí no me interesa. Ya tengo un chico de hambre, cómprame no me hamburguesa. Me siento ya bien gacho, me siento bien tranquilo. Voy a tener que comprar un pinche buen kilo, ponerme hasta la madre, ponerme hasta arriba. Así mi compa go, homie, back up la gripa.
Sick.
Can't get no fucking motherfucking chunks on me. Don't give a fuck.
That's right.
I'm a sick ass fool. I came through Queen Mary. I gotta get along cause this shit is fucking scary. But let me tell you, Wesley, I'm getting fucking faded. I'm always fucking ready to meet the different ladies. I'm a sick ass fool, tell homie I thought you knew. I'm always gang banging for the fucking big blue. Don't ever hesitate to put a bala in your brain. They call me Mr. Trunks, in your life I will take. So make no mistake, yes I'm ready to attack. I know soldier wanna make it like I came from Iraq, with a strap in my pocket, killing fools quicker than rockets. You wanna fuck with me, I'll put a bala through your eye socket. But fuck it, and that's the game for survival. Instead of making beats, I'm just killing all my rivals. I'm walking with a rifle every word that I can. I'm always fucking rapping, I'm the only one that stand. I'm a sick ass soldado from the fucking 656. Not give a fuck, and you know I keep it 6'6". Don't never talk massa, because I'll shoot ya. Don't never talk shit, cause I will shoot ya. Motherfucker, don't tell me you can't be like me, homie. Motherfucking chunky from the big Barrio Norwalk gang, El Parkside. Fuck all my enemigas, homie. Don't give a fuck, homie. Fuck a rata, fuck a java, put them in the fucking ground. They talking all the massa and I'm stupid in my rounds. You better keep pushing when you see my fucking truck. I kill the fucking chavas and I put them in my trunk. You better pray for God, homie, pray for fucking Jesus, cause Mr. fucking Trunk's gonna cut you in pieces for any fucking reason, in any fucking season. Don't never talk shit, cause I'm always be dripping, dipping. I'm getting high, hypnotized, see the devils in the sky. And look at me, smoke weed, look at my red eyes. I'm getting fucking twisted, not giving a fuck, Holmes, because Mr. fucking Trunk just gifted. That's right, homie.